In today's video, I'm going to teach you Constant Contact Affiliate Program sign-up commissions. We're going to walk through step by step how to apply to the Constant Contact Affiliate Program so you can start earning commissions by promoting their services. I'll explain what you're seeing on each page and share a few tips to help you complete the application smoothly. Start by opening your browser and going to the Constant Contact Affiliate Partner page. In the address bar, type in the Constant Contact website and navigate to the Partners section, then to Affiliates. On that page, you'll see an Apply Now button. Go ahead and click that. When you do, the page will reload and display the affiliate agreement. This is the legal document that explains the terms of the program, how you're allowed to promote, how tracking works, and when you can earn commissions. Take a moment to at least scan through the key sections so you understand what you're agreeing to. Once you've scrolled all the way to the bottom and you're comfortable with the terms, click the I accept button. After you accept the agreement, the page will load again and you'll see a simple overview of how the Constant Contact Affiliate Program works in 3 steps. Join the program, share your unique affiliate link, and earn commissions when referrals make qualifying purchases. This is just a summary to help you understand the process from start to finish. When you're ready to move forward, click the Join Now button. You'll now be taken to the main sign-up form. Here, you need to provide your basic and business information. Fill in your first name and last name, then add a valid email address that you check regularly, since this is where they'll send your approval notice and important updates. Next, enter your business name. If you don't have a formal business, you can usually use your personal brand or website name. Add your website URL, making sure it's correct and active, because they'll often review this to see how you'll promote their services. You'll be asked for your estimated monthly unique visitors. Provide your best honest estimate. Then choose your primary promotional method, such as content marketing, email, paid ads, or social media. In the section where you describe your promotional plan and target audience, be specific about how you intend to promote Constant Contact and who your audience is. This helps them understand if you're a good fit. Finally, add your social media profiles and select your country or region from the list. Once you've double-checked everything for accuracy and completeness, click Submit Application and you're done with the sign-up process.